Hey you guys, I'm on the trail today and I'm looking for a place to fix some lunch. I'm just out here, guys, just exercising today and getting some good old dirt time in and looking for some more wild plants. So in a few minutes I'm going to set up and fix us some lunch out here and try out some items that I've got. Hey guys, welcome to Mike Reed Outdoors. God bless all of you. Thanks for watching. Hey Craig, man, this is really nice. You know what? You gave me this thing about a year or so ago, and I stuck it in my backpack and forgot all about it. So this is the first time I've ever set this thing up. So Craig, buddy, I really appreciate this. Hey Lewis, this is really nice, buddy. I really appreciate this. Let you guys check this out. My buddy Lewis Nave, the West Virginia outdoorsman, sent me a little box. Inside that box, guys, I've got spices. Now I'm carrying in my backpack. Salt, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and ginger. Thanks, Lewis. I really appreciate it, buddy. Alright guys, I had to use some grapevine this morning. I got just a little bit of dried chaga here. Dust. I'm going to put it in here and see if I can catch this up. Well, my buddy Lewis Nave, he got me hooked on mashed potatoes. What have I got here today? Yeah, I've got roasted garlic and parsley mashed potatoes. And of course, Lewis sent me that little box I just showed you. Inside that stuff, guys, I got some salt. You just might as well use it if you got it. Just going to use a pinch. Right there. Tell you what, guys, them things already done. Don't burn myself there. Tasty as they can be, you guys. There ain't no question about it. I'm definitely way out here in the woods. There ain't no question about it. I decided I'd fix me some lunch on this hike right here and let you guys see me doing it. There's nothing I like better, guys, than just getting out in the forest and eating. Nice and quiet too, man. That's the way I like it. See more of it. tell you what, you guys, this is a pretty nice little old thing here my buddy Craig made for me. Tell you what, this thing right here, I weigh 215 pounds. And this is just some nylon and some cordage, but he did a good job on this. And I really do thank him. Nothing better, guys, than relaxing in these big old woods. Guys, I appreciate you watching my videos. I got more videos about herbs on the way. I really enjoy doing them. I like to learn right along with you guys. Please, guys, if you need me to identify any of your photos or anything like that, just email them to readmike279@gmail.com, and I'll be glad to take a look at them and see what we can do. But I really do thank you for watching. God bless you, and have yourself a great day.